how to use bonus bet on Fanduel. So here on the official website, we can see this article, answers to bonus bets. How do you use your bonus bet? If we click to expand the screen, you will see this guide. So check your account page to see whether you have active bonus bets. Make your bet selections based on what your bonus bet will cover. In your bet slip, you have to look for a add a bonus bet button and click the toggle. If you have more than one available, you'll get a pop-up with options to choose from. Simply choose the bonus bet and the stake auto-populates. You can adjust the wager to add more cash from your wallet or reduce the amount only to use a portion of the full bonus bet and place your bet. So that's basically how you do it. You search for a add a bonus bet button when you are on the bet slip, and then you can choose which bonus bet you would like to use. I hope this answers your questions. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.